Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to code your own landing page on MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, open your existing page or create a new one. For this guide, I'll create a new page. Go to Sites, then click on Create Site. Choose a name for your page and select Landing Page. Click Save and Continue. Next, pick a template. You'll be taken to the drag and drop editor. This step is optional. If you prefer coding your page from scratch, delete all existing blocks and drag the code block from the Elements section into the editor. You can now easily start coding your page directly within MailerLite. And if you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. So be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. We are so grateful for your time and attention in watching our video. Thank you for your support.